All right, so I got the motor back from Factory Motors. He did the full rebuild. I was gonna do it originally, but decided to have a pro do it instead. Just a quick run through of what we did. We split the cases, we put all new OEM bearings in there. We obviously vapor honed the cases and the cylinder. Had the cylinder ported and case matched. I had it bored over 1 millimeter. So it's got a 69 millimeter Wiseco piston. Used bolt hardware. Let's see what else we did. We're reusing the V-Force reeds, Pro X sprocket, just a bunch of OEM parts on the motor to just freshen it up. All new seals, gaskets, etc. So yeah, now it's time to put this bad boy in and get one step closer to finishing this build. Let's go. These are the radiators I'm using. These are from eBay. They're the GPI Racing aluminum radiators. Seem to fit nicely. I went ahead and ordered some new grommets, but also at the same time cleaned up and reused some of the hardware. As you can see there. I'm gonna see how these fit on the bike. This is how these GPI lines for the radiator came in, and this is how the orientation was with this little Y splitter piece here. You can see the GPI piece is a little bit long. I need to do a little bit of trimming here and up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and eyeball this and just mark it out. All right, let's see if that fits. There are the radiator hoses all plumbed up and clamped together. Looking really nice. Unfortunately, the only company that sells a radiator for 93 YZ250 that I could find was GPI, which sells it on eBay. Hopefully the quality is good. Lots has happened on the bike off camera. Put on the foot pegs, put on the shifter, finished wiring the bike, including the engine kill